Come here, baby.
Tingnan niyo, oh. Daddy's girl, oh. Oh.
Come here, baby.
Ay, shush! Cuddle, daddy.
Daddy.
Go, daddy.
Daddy.
Say, Daddy Mike.
Daddy Mike. I want to open this. Please.
I'm not sure if mag-apply kami ng loan, if that's fine na si Daddy Mike lang. Kasi, di ba, wala akong, income. Kasi, maternity leave ako. Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. So, it is Wednesday, the 24th of Feb, and it's currently 7 na yata ngayon ng gabi. Kakauwi ko lang from picking up Paris from childcare, guys, and nandito tayo ngayon sa kwarto kasi magbibihis na tayo. Ayan, kasi nakapagtrabaho pa si mami nyo. Actually, sa office ako nag-work today, kaya hindi tayo nakapag-vlog ng maaga kasi sobrang busy si mami nyo. So, yeah, ngayon lang natin na-start yung vlog natin. I hope that's okay with everyone. Ngayon pala, si Daddy Mike ay nasa kitchen. Naghuhugas siya ng plato, guys. Naglilinis siya. At maglilinis pa lamang ako kasi pupunta dito yung may-ari ng bahay. It's been few days na kasi na hindi nag-work yung shower namin. And yung, anong tawag dito? Yung agent ay parang walang pakialam, guys. Like, tinatawagan ni Mike. And they always say na they will call back. Tapos, hindi sila tumatawag. Kaya sobrang nagalit si Daddy Mike. Tinawagan niya yung may-ari. And sabi nung may-ari na siya na lang yung pupunta dito. And she'll bring someone na ang tawag dito? Mag-aayos ng ating shower. Kasi, bath yung ginagamit namin, guys, para maligo. Hindi yung shower. So, ayun. Since Daddy Mike pala ay nag-work sa office today, pero mas maaga siyang dumating dito kasi nga, diba, after work, pinipick up ko pa si Paris. So, nauna siyang, nakauwi and then nag-start na siyang maglinis. Kaya ngayon, naghugas na lang siya ng mga pinggan. But, tutulungan ko na siya ngayon, guys. Magbibihis lang tayo. Ang ating baby girl pala ay nakatulog sa sasakyan. Kaya yun, on pa naman yung sasakyan. Pinabayaan ko na lang muna. She'll be fine there naman. Naka-on naman yung engine, hindi naman off. So, she'll be alright. Anyways, pakita ko muna sa inyo yung outfit natin for today, guys. Kasi mukhang ilang video na ba na hindi natin nagawa yung outfit of the day. Kasi palagi tayo nakapambahay. So, I'll show it to you quickly. So, ito yung ating top, guys. The white one. Bodysuit pala to siya. And then, ito yung ating skirt from Counterword. And tingnan nyo, kitang-kita na ang bump ni mami nyo. So, ito yung ginamit ko kasi high-waisted siya. And kasyang-kasya si baby number 2. Ayan. And then, pinarisan ko rin ng yung parang oversized na blazer. And then, kasi maginaw today, guys, I wore the boots. Ayan. So, hindi naman siya sobrang tangkad. So, that's okay. We'll be fine. We're safe. And then, pair it with this little handbag. And that's it. Yun yung ating pa-outfit, guys. And now, we're gonna clean the house. See you soon. So, ayan na, guys. Sobrang linis na ng ating mirror. And also, ayan, medyo malinis na konti. Ayan. And, dito naman sa tayong kwarto, guys. Ayan, it looks fine. Madilim na siya, guys. Uy, it's so late now. And then, Daddy Mike. Andyan sa kitchen. And here. Ayan. Ganyan talagang nangyayari, guys, kapag ang may-ari na yung pupunta dito, diba? So, we have to make sure na presentable yung bahay and all. Kasi, para naman, hindi sila maano na magparenta. Ayan, iba talaga, guys, kapag hindi sa atin yung bahay. Anyways, let's wake up Paris now kasi anong oras na? Tingnan nyo, oh. Sobrang dirty pa from school. Natulog na tulog. Hello, my little princess. Hello, Ate Paris. Hello. Hi, Josh. Hi, Josh. I have to wake up na because it's late na, nak. Shush. Hala, very messy man ang baby. Painting. Oh, it's okay. Mama will carry you. Come. Come on. Oh, shush. Come on. Daddy. What's this? What's this? Good.
Come here,
Tingnan niyo, oh. Daddy's girl, oh.
come here, baby.
Ay, shush! Cuddle, daddy.
It's okay, Papa.
One day, guys, pag dalawa na, oh my God. Dalawa na sila nakapupkup sa daddy niya.
Sleeping in the car? Now, Sky?
Kumakain ng kanyang crumpets. Do you like crumpets, nak?
Yes, Mama.
Kuku kaka. So, ayan guys. Hinihintay lang namin na yung may-ari ng bahay. Kasi sabi ni Daddy Mike, 7 o'clock daw darating. Kaya yun. Yun yung mahirap guys kapag hindi talaga sa inyo yung bahay. Kasi hindi nyo napapaayos kaagad yung dapat ayusin. And kahit yung mga ganito guys, yung mga kailangan ikabit sa ganyan. Ang hirap, kailangan mong gumamit ng parang velcro ba na sticky kasi hindi mo pwedeng hindi ka pwedeng maglagay ng mga hole sa sa wall ganyan. So marami talagang bagay na hindi mo nagagawa kapag hindi mo sariling bahay, kapag nagrerenta ka lang. Kaya yun. Kaya nga 'di ba nag-decide kami ni Daddy Mike na bibili kami ng bahay na. So dapat sana next month or April, yun, bibili kami ng bahay, guys, sa Queensland. But, na-change yung plan ngayon kasi, di ba, buntis si mami nyo. So, everything is changed. So, instead of, like, buying a house in Queensland next month or April, i-move na namin siya, guys, hanggang sa manganak si mami. Kasi dito na lang manganganak si mami nyo, guys. So, we're going to stay dito sa bahay na to until then. Kasi nga, diba, hindi kami nag-expect na mabubuntis ako this soon. Kaya, nagplano kami noon na, mag-move kami, bibili kami ng bahay sa Queensland by April. Pero nga, nakatanggap tayo ng bagong blessing. So, nagbago lahat yung plano. Kaya, yun guys. So, by end of June, I'm going to take my maternity leave. Kaya yun. Kaya mag-stay na lang muna kami sa bahay na to guys. But yeah, I'm super excited. Before, nagtingin-tingin na kami ng mga bahay sa Queensland. Yung mga lugar, yung mga area, tinitingnan na namin. But we stopped for now kasi nga, diba, what's the use? Na matagal pa naman kami makabili ng bahay doon kasi nga ihintayin pa natin na lumabas si baby number 2 bago natin gawin yun. So that's another chapter sa buhay natin guys. So kahit yung kahit ngayong wedding sa Pinas, diba, dapat sana this year, sometime this year, pero yeah, things has changed. Kaya yun guys. Ang ating baby girl ay suki pa kasi hindi pa talaga yan siya fully gising. Bibilisan pa natin yan, tingnan nyo, sobrang dungis. But yeah guys, I can't wait talaga na magkaroon ng sariling bahay para magawa natin kung ano yung gusto natin gawin. Maka-renovate tayo. Tulad sa bahay na to guys, hindi talaga namin sobrang type yung toilet, yung bathroom, ganyan. Pero, what can you do? You're only renting. Yeah. Nag-move lang naman talaga kami dito kasi sobrang lapit sa work. Nung nag-move yung work ko guys, nag-move kami sa bahay na to. And para sa amin, the most important thing is the location. Kumpara sa yung bahay talaga. So, yung bahay is livable. It's fine naman guys. Kung makikita nyo, maganda naman siya, ganyan. Pero may part talaga ng bahay na hindi masyadong maganda, hindi masyadong presentable. Kaya hindi ako ginaganahan na mag-video sa loob ng bathroom, ganyan. Kasi hindi masyadong maganda tingnan. Kaya dito okay lang, maganda naman yung background, ganyan. Walls and everything, fine, clean. Show me what you found. Show me.
Frozen. Yeah, you can make it. Huh?
Let it go.
You make it yourself. Daddy won't help you.
Can you do it yourself now? Good. Show me maybe.
This one goes inside there.
Okay. Okay, we'll see if Paris can do it. Ah.
There it goes.
What happened?
This one goes in the finger.
What is it, honey?
Open it.
What is it?
Open this.
Open it. Call Daddy. Tell Daddy to open it.
Daddy.
Call Daddy.
Daddy.
Say Daddy, Mike.
Daddy. I want to open this. Please.
Sings that. Let it go. No right, no wrong. No rules for me. I'm free. What's next now?
Let go.
Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore.
Open this.
I'm opening. How was your day at school? Did you have fun today? What did you do at school?
I do the one.
What did you do?
Just one climbing.
Climbing?
Climbing in slide.
Climbing and slide?
Yes.
Wow, that's so cool. Did you play with Mary?
No. The Mary's not here yet.
Mary wasn't there today?
Yes.
Oh, she didn't go to school today. Maybe Mary doesn't go every Wednesday night, no? No? Who did you play with today?
Ula.
Ula? And? Who else?
You want sausage, Mama? Chorizo.
Go, give it to Daddy. Go, Daddy, open this.
Chorizo.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Daddy. You wanna share it to baby sister?
Yeah, please.
You gonna give which one you gonna give to baby sister? Be sure, mommy.
This one.
Wow. Why is that? Why that one?
This for me.
It's for you. How about for sister?
For
baby
sister.
Oh, okay. It's okay. You eat for baby sister because the baby sister is not out yet. Baby sister is still in the tummy, yeah? It's still in mommy's tummy? You gonna help mama look after baby sister? Promise? So I promise, mommy. Thank you, honey. You're such a big girl. You a good ate? Big girl na kayo ko. Oh, have a look at your face. Oh, gosh. Oh, we're gonna brush our teeth again tonight, Nak, na? Using the pepper pink toothbrush with the lights.
Wow, cute.
Cute. Do you like that one? Do you like that one? No? Do you like the toothbrush that flashes the lights?
Shout out your favorite player.
Time check tayo guys. It's now 8:40 and kakaalis lang ng may-ari ng bahay. So what are they doing, Daddy?
They're gonna call Tama.
Yeah. So they will... Paris, she's still playing with it. It's a boy balloon. So they're going to call a plumber, guys, to fix the shower. Kasi nga, yun na nga. Kami ni Baby Paris, pag naliligo kami sa bath, tapos yung daddy niya, pupunta sa gym sa umaga, tapos doon na naliligo. Wow! Do you like the balloon? Show mommy the balloon, babe. Paris. Did you say hi to Jenny, Nak? Papa, did you say hi to Jenny? Say hi, Jenny.
You talking to Jenny, honey?
Yeah, what's the husband's name, Bob?
Oh.
Paul. I'm
What the-
making ano pala guys, noodles para sa ano.
What did you talk about?
makakain natin kasi gutom ako.
What did you talk about?
No, just asking like, are you expecting? She was like, yeah, it shows now. Yeah. So you happy with everything now, Daddy?
Yeah, I'm like, well,
Yeah.
I'll be happy when it gets fixed.
Yeah. So Daddy was so angry guys kasi nga yung agent, bali-bali. Wala silang ginagawa. So Daddy was not happy at all. So kaya yun, tinawagan ni Daddy Mike yung may-ari talaga. And they're not happy too. So what are they gonna do? Are they gonna complain?
No, they did.
Yeah. You gonna call?
The,
Oh, the agent.
yeah, she was like,
But she didn't call.
because Jenny copied the message. Jenny copied the message that I sent, and then
So yung lutuin natin guys. So. Mama, shrimp tom yum flavor. Yes, na?
Mama, what are you doing?
Yes, na?
Stop.
What?
Yeah.
Come here, Dad.
Huh?
Come that way.
Why?
You've got like way too much water in there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
The chef is talking. Wow!
There.
Wow! I wanna put eggman too, Daddy.
You gonna put egg? Yeah, give me that.
Just one egg. They're still playing with the boy. Are you having sister or brother?
No, just that.
Sister! Uy! Kobe.
That's you.
That's true. Ang bait ng may-ari, guys. No, she was just like, are you expecting? And they're like, yeah. We created a baby in your house.
What's it say?
He said, Paris is so cute. Ay, shush. Are you cute na?
Look at me.
Come here, my cute little girl. Ay, shush.
Oh, what's
Go! See? Here's the cute little girl. Malangga ka ni Mama. I love you, no?
What's that?
That is sauce. Do you want some noodles? Clean one? Yes, please. Yes, please. Kata sabi? Ako ba lagi ito? Malangga ko si Mama. Sobrang busy sa trabaho today kasi alam nyo, kahapon, mga hanggang 12 lang yata yung trabaho namin kasi nag-down yung server namin. So, yun. Kaya ngayon, nag-ano kami today, parang catch up. Super tired, but yeah. Lucky, si Daddy nandito. O, siya nahugas ng plato. Tapos, kakatapos lang niyang ilagay sa mga cupboard. Super lucky talaga, guys. Si Daddy hindi nagpapabaya ba. Paano na lang kaya? Ay, ginoo ko. Oh, kagabi pala guys, yung daddy natin ay hindi nakatulog ng mabuti. Are you going to bed soon, Daddy?
Mate.
Come here. So last night, our baby girl, nag-move siya guys kasi diba yung cot niya sa gilid, pwede siyang makamove sa bed namin. So nag-move siya during the night. So natulog siya sa sa middle namin ni Daddy Mike and she keeps kicking na rin. Yan, si Daddy, tingnan niyo ang mata ni Daddy Mike is very red because, yun na guys, hindi siya nakatulog ng mabuti. Si Baby Paris, palagi siyang sinisipa. And I said like, wait until you have the second baby. O, dalawa na sila guys, magsipa ang Daddy Mike. 2 girls.
Give me my. Give Daddy it.
Ay! Dalawa na magsisipa yan, Daddy Mike. Mag-kick out na sa bed. That's why we really need a bigger bed.
Yes.
Yeah. We will. Pag nakabili na nga kami ng bahay. Daddy, when are we buying a house now?
Well, depends. Like, because I have to speak to the broker and ask if they think that I can get the loan. If I can get the loan just on my salary alone, or if we can apply. If we can apply for the loan whilst you're on maternity leave.
Yeah. See, that's what I was mentioning before, guys, na the situation has changed now. Kasi na nga, diba, I'm going on maternity leave and then I'm not sure if mag-apply kami ng loan. If that's fine na si Daddy Mike lang. Kasi, diba, wala akong, income. Kasi maternity leave ako.
So if
we don't know as yet. But, yeah, but obviously that will be after the baby's born.
yeah, so like basically I'll speak to the broker, see what they say. I mean, worst case scenario, we've got the money anyway now. Like, we've got the deposit. We've got the deposit, so if the broker's like, look, I probably would wait till you go back to work before you apply, and then we'll just move up there, keep the money in the account, rent until you either go back to work or become like a millionaire vlogger. Anyway.
Oh, millionaire vlogger, guys.
Basically,
make us a millionaire.
yeah, basically we'll either, like I said, we'll either rent until you either go back to work, or if the broker just says, no, you'll be fine to apply, we'll just apply and then we'll do it this year. Like, hopefully around October, I reckon.
Yeah.
August, yeah, about October you should be ready. I think you'll be recovered.
Hi guys, time check tayo. It's now 11 o'clock ng gabi and yes, we're all awake. Na. Wave na.
Or
Why are you still awake? It's already 11 o'clock. And we are getting ready for bed now.
Slowly.
Kakatapos lang din namin ng video call ng mama ko, guys. Yeah, I just wanna say thank you sa inyong lahat for always watching our videos, sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa ating channel. And sa bago nating mga subscribers, welcome sa inyong lahat. Sana na-i-enjoy niyo yung mga vlogs natin. And if ever meron kayong request, guys, na video na pwede natin gawin, just let me know, just in case pwede natin gawin. Alam nyo na. Before we end the vlog, we will do a shout out. And the first shout out goes to Christine Eulalio and from Marilao, Bulacan. And also shout out to her daughter, Nicaila Claire. She also love Ate Pares. Thank you. Shout out Jancy Pinay, Australia. JC Rain Garcia. Norhaya dapat. Hello, Nor. Shout out to A. Huablar. And also sa kanyang kambal na anak na si Isa and Ella. Shout out to Ruby Berol, Sally Saminiano. Shout out to Ruth Villasenda, Carlota Pedro, Lorimel Leonor, Loleta Lacuesta, Kim Martinez, Angie Bihino, Marie Rodriguez, Amelita Balajay, Jonah Rees, Jacqueline Gallo, Helen Abiertas, Crispina Palma, Cynthia de la Cruz, Lynn Garunay. Shout out to Carlvin Burinaga, Rosemary Verzon, Fritzy Marjorie Ramos, Mami Rose Sabalye, Viuli S, Fidis Piging, Chari Tamayo, and Moana Paloma. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure to hit that subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all guys in the next one. Anak, don't forget to be good. And if you can't,
bye.
flying kiss.